Men and love, what it means to be a man and in love. The intersection of masculinity and love has been a subject of enduring curiosity and scrutiny, obscured by societal norms and cultural expectations. Exploring the notion of masculinity in love requires recognizing the diverse range of experiences and perspectives that exist. While stereotypes frequently portray men as stoic and emotionally reserved, the truth is much more nuanced. For many men, expressing love involves navigating a delicate equilibrium of vulnerability, strength, and genuineness. Here, we delve into the essence of masculinity in love. 1. Embracing vulnerability. Despite the stereotype of men being emotionally stoic, many experience love with great depth. Yet, societal expectations often discourage men from displaying vulnerability, leading to the suppression of emotions. Breaking free from these constraints and embracing vulnerability is essential for truly experiencing love. Openly discussing feelings and fears can strengthen emotional connections and foster deeper bonds with partners. 2. Redefining strength. Traditional views of masculinity frequently link strength to physical power and emotional detachment. However, true strength lies in vulnerability and emotional resilience. Men who are confident in their masculinity understand that strength involves not hiding emotions but facing them with bravery. This revised understanding of strength enables men to navigate the intricacies of love with genuineness and honesty. 3. Communication and connection. Strong communication is fundamental in any relationship, yet men may face distinct challenges in openly sharing their emotions. Developing communication skills and creating a safe space for dialogue are crucial for men to express their feelings and form deep connections with their partners. Honesty, active listening, and empathy play vital roles in nurturing meaningful romantic relationships. 4. Navigating cultural expectations. Society frequently imposes strict standards on men regarding their roles and responsibilities within relationships. Whether expected to be the primary provider or the emotional anchor, men may feel compelled to adhere to societal norms that don't align with their true selves. By questioning these expectations and embracing their individuality, men can engage in love according to their own terms, free from external pressures and limitations. 5. Self-reflection and growth. Love has the power to transform and enhance our lives, yet it requires self-awareness and individual growth. Men who are in tune with their emotions and committed to personal development are better prepared to navigate the complexities of love and relationships. Engaging in self-reflection, seeking therapy or counseling when needed, and actively improving emotional intelligence are invaluable tools for men embarking on the journey of love. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.